हेलो, मैं हूँ ताजिकिस्तान में और मेरे साथ है कुछ एक यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट जो MBBS यहाँ से पढ़ रहे हैं। वो बताएंगे आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस ताजिकिस्तान में पढ़ने के लिए, किस तरह से उनको फ्रेंडली लगा यहाँ पे आने के लिए, उनका एक्सपीरियंस जानते हैं उन्हीं के ही थ्रू। कैन यू टेल मी व्हाई यू हैव चोजन ताजिकिस्तान?
So Tajikistan, so before coming here, I am from Tamil Nadu, so I had done a lot of researches, not just about the university, but about the country as well.
Alright.
So I was like, which country will be climate friendly, which country will be budget friendly and thing. So in that condition, I felt that Tajikistan topped the table. So I felt the budget over here was fine,
Alright.
and it is just a 2.5 hours travel from Delhi. So
Yeah, that's
if
it.
parents wants to visit me, they can come visit me like very often they want. The climate here is perfectly fine.
Exactly.
We thought that it will be like two extreme conditions, like either too hot or either too cold, but it's not like
Similar
that.
to India, you
It is
can
similar
say
to
that.
India. It's like a nice and a meager climate. So
Alright.
and the cost of living over here is fine.
I came here 2 or 3 days before. I feel the weather is super cool over here. I mean, like, I feel like I'm in India only. And I spoke to one of the student as well. She is from somewhere northern part of India, and she was keep on saying that कि सिमिलर वेदर है यहाँ का. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, मेडिकल स्टूडेंट से अगर हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, क्या गाइडलाइंस हैं यहाँ के?
मैम, NMC का फुल गाइडलाइन फुलफिल करता है ये कंट्री ताजिकिस्तान. मैक्सिमम यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हेयर, सो फुलफिल ऑल गाइडलाइन ऑफ NMC.
कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर आप एक गाइडलाइन के बारे में बता सकते हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल,
जैसे जिस कंट्री से आप MBBS कर रहे हैं वहाँ से इंटर्नशिप करना ज़रूरी है, जो कि इस गाइडलाइन को भी फुल
आई गेस ये भी है कि पूरी MBBS आपकी इंग्लिश में होनी चाहिए, तो
इंग्लिश में
पार्ट
होता है,
ऑफ योर
पार्टिकुलरली
गाइडलाइन.
इंग्लिश में. और लाइसेंसिंग एग्ज़ाम देना चाहिए जिस कंट्री से आप MBBS कर रहे हो.
व्हाट अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस, जेंटलमैन?
I am about it's like feel like best season was like December, January, like snow season. It's like kind of cold weather and cold and hot weather.
Alright.
Basically like similar to India, and like they're providing us Indian foods, which is compared to other university, it's better here.
Are you getting your native food?
Yeah.
Yes, we have got our own chefs from India, so the Indian food is also
Indian
well
food,
nice,
yeah.
and the food of Tajikistan is also nice.
How's the classroom and everything? What you feel here in English? You are getting the lectures and everything?
Yes, in English, ma'am. All class in English, but language class teach in English, but particular language.
Indian teachers are there. I feel like
we have got Indian teachers, so in that way we are feeling overwhelmed. Like we have got an Indian teacher to come teach us about anatomy. He takes anatomy class for us. So in that case, he takes anatomy. So we are finding it very good.